Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So actually the targets that we have specified recently has been completed even more. You can see the market currently stands around 1660. Well, and now with the trade that we have discussed recently, so it was not just action to the minor target, but it also has become the downside continuation of the market start dropping from the confluence. So things that we have discussed in the previous videos and in the weekly report as well. So currently market stands slightly below the major monthly support, but in general we should understand that the monthly area, it is not just precise number as it's showed by the line. This is more in an area. So and 1680, 1670, it's actually if market drops just 8-10 bucks lower than this level, it doesn't mean yet that markets keep going lower. So just learning around completion major tactical targets that stands around it. So with the performance on the daily chart, we have two different targets. This first one is 1646. It's right there, and potentially we're considering this kind of the steep butterfly pattern that is forming here. Next target is 16 even, mostly, but well, we will see what will happen, whether the market will complete it or not, because it seems a bit too far currently. And so initially, I think that it make sense to be focused just on this level. Besides, you can see that today is really low chances that market will break it down, is because you can see that this level is accompanied with the daily reversal. It is most probable that this should become the floor for the current trading week. It's around 1650, 1646. On the lower time frame, if you are still if you are holding the short positions, well, you could think about this area where to maybe partially book the profit, especially when turning to the weekend. On the lower time frame, not many things to do currently. Bulls could consider for a possible bounce up from the 1650s, 1646 if any Jordan-Napoli patterns will be formed. For example, so you can see in general this is a nice intraday thrust, and if market will form some kind of the, I don't know, double repo buyers reaction on the 1650 target, well, you could consider taking the scalp long position with a minor bounce maybe to the 1690 area, retesting of these lows and 50% of the thrust, classical target of the double repo pattern. Maybe some other patterns will be formed. Here, as you can see, that also we have local ABCD pattern with approximately the same target. On the hourly chart, we have no reaction yet because market hasn't completed yet the targets, and correspondingly we do not see yet any patterns around it. So market just stands in a tight consolidation, something of this sort, so nothing to do with hourly chart as well. That being said, currently bears could keep positions and watch what will happen around 1650 area, trying to make the decision on whether it makes sense to take some part of the result or do not do this if market just will collapse down. Currently it's definitely not the level where we need to consider taking the new short position because market stands too close to the support, while bulls currently have only tactical short-term intraday chances if market starts to show some reaction on the support, suggesting minor bounce here. That's what the bulls could consider. Supposedly it might be based on the double repo buy if it will be formed based on this thrusting action. If not, then it might be some classical patterns at butterfly, hand shorts as usual, things that we are watching for. So that's actually situation on the gold.